The makeup, just unrecognizable. Parvati is also really nice. Whoa, that shot! Oh, love this shot. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be watching, finally we have the trailer for Thangalaan, which is Chyan Vikram's upcoming film directed by Paranjeet. So yeah, I have said time and again whenever they had dropped any promo material that this is a film I'm definitely looking forward to watch, not only because of the actor but also because of the director, and like whatever material that they have dropped for us to watch, yeah, it's quite crazy in terms of visuals, in terms of its grittiness, the action, the outfits, the look, makeup, everything actually guys, everything. So I don't want to deal with this any further. I will be watching the Tamil trailer, which is, well, the movie is in Tamil language, so I'm gonna watch the original one, and yeah, it's been dubbed in various other languages. So let's not deal with this any further. Let's watch this trailer right away. Last time you guys told me this is kind of based on the real KGF story, like inspired or based. The makeup, just unrecognizable.
His Excellency Mr. Clement Dore avaru unga uppakaram naadi inda gramathukku vijayam pannirkar. Indha velai seyradhukku nammala vitta vera aale kadiyada.
Oh, that shot.
வாழ்க்கை எல்லாம் விட்ட வெளிச்சு போய்டும். இங்க பொண்ணு எடுக்கிறது நம்ம உயிரை நாமே எடுக்கிறதுக்கு சமம்.
இதானே அங்க பேய்க்குது பிசாசுக்குதுன்னு சொன்னா.
Parvati is also really nice. Whoa, that shot.
எல்லாம் புரியும் மாய சூனியக்காரன் யாராம்?
சூனியக்காரன் இல்ல சங்கோனே, சூனியக்காரி. ஆரத்தி.
அவனா உண்மை இல்லையே.
Oh, there's like a fantastical element to it also.
சூனியக்காரர்களை யாருமே கட்டவே முடியாதா?
கட்டுவோம். நான் கட்டுறேன்.
Okay.
சாவுக்கு துணிஞ்சவனுக்கு மட்டும்தான் இங்க வாழ்க்கை.
Oh, love this shot. Oh, the song also sounds nice. Oh, okay guys, release the song Makers of Thangalaan. That sounds nice. Yeah, there's gonna be one violent film, man. The intensity, just the intent. I just see making a violent film is one thing. Like, of course, so recently I just watched Kill, which is a Hindi film, and it's very gory, very violent, but excellently executed in terms of its action choreography, and I love the camera work. And here also I feel that there's a lot going on. Obviously, you guys told me last time when the teaser had released that this is kind of based off the true story of KGF and how the tribes there were kind of persecuted because the Britishers were extremely greedy and they wanted the gold, and obviously they made them work for it, and that's how I'm very interested to know how that story kind of flows. And also this little bit of fantastical element that was given in this trailer, I don't know if it was there to throw us off, or is it Paranjeet's kind of interpretation or imagination, because obviously nowhere it's written that it's like the true story, but it's kind of inspired from that. So obviously there is this hunt for gold, and somehow why do I feel like it also kind of, because there's sorcery and all of that involved, is it also because, you know, is it also related to nature and greed or something like that. It'll be very, very interesting to see. That's so the violence part, obviously it looks and feels very primal. So that's what I'm saying. See, it's one thing to just think of, oh, I want to make a violent film, but here, looking at the trailer and kind of the storyline, it seems justified because obviously these are tribal people. And this is what I want to see, like how the fight skills are going to be. Is it because they're not trained in combat, right? So is it going to be like very, very primal and they don't have like proper techniques? They don't have like a technique to fight. They just know how to fight. It's like that, you know? So how that is going to be executed and done and choreographed, I'm very much looking forward to that because the action seems to be like one of the major parts of the film and how the storyline moves forward. That's one thing. The camera work looks incredible already. Whatever the making video, the teaser, this one, in every promo material that I have watched, the camera work has been extremely good. Then reiterating again, guys, the makeup, outfits, costume, and Chyan Vikram just being this unrecognizable person here feels like just living the character. I don't even recognize the guy. He's amazing. Mad respect for just going through this process. It's very this just looks intense. It just looks intense, and I always feel that when you're doing a role where you're putting your body also through a lot, it definitely takes, like, there's a physical toll that the body takes. That aspect is obviously there, but it kind of, I'm sure it affects the person mentally as well. Now in a positive way, negative way, I don't know, but I'm sure there is like that impact for sure, because you're putting your body through so much. So there is no way that it doesn't affect you mentally. I'm pretty sure it does. So mad respect for him, just being so involved and so authentic towards the characters that he's playing, and at least whatever, like, these kind of intense characters that I've seen him play. It's so, yes, looking forward to definitely this film, like I said, not only because of the actor but also because of the director Paranjit, his last film that I watched. I'm just setting that as a benchmark for myself, not for you guys, but at least for myself, I'm setting that as a benchmark, Sarpatta Parambarai. So yeah, there are a lot of elements in this film that like really makes me want to wait and see, and also wish in my heart that this movie turns out really well. So yeah, that was the reaction to the trailer of Thangalaan. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What did you think? I feel that here we got a lot of context in terms of story. Previous ones were more visually, like, this narration was more done through the visuals. Here we get dialogues, we get the context and all of that. So yeah, anyway, it was so far so good. I'm very excited for this film. So yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts, and I'm gonna sign off now from this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.